Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to simplify under root 27 plus under root 32 by under root 18 is what? So let's simplify this. Under root 27, I can write it as 3 times 3 times 3 plus under root 32 as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 by under root 18 as 2 times 3 times 3. So this, if we take out square root outside, so 3 root 3 plus 2 times 2, 4 root 2 by 3 root 2. So now if I multiply with 3 root 2 in numerator and denominator, it becomes 9 root 6 plus 12 times 2, root 2 times root 2 is 2 by 9 times 2. So 9 root 6 plus 24 by 18. So if I'll take 3 as common, so 3 root 6 plus 8 by 3 times 6. We can cancel out this. So what is left? 3 root 6 plus 8 by 6. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.